If you could change your life with one decision, what would it be? For a lot of us, it's not some grand, heroic act, but something much quieter. Something you start today and let time do the heavy lifting. If you had put $10,000 into the QQQ index fund just 10 years ago, you'd be looking at a small fortune today. That single decision could have fundamentally changed your financial reality. So why do so many of us fail to make it? We all want the destination, financial freedom, but the journey, the long, patient waiting, that's where we stumble. It is a paradox as old as humanity. We crave long-term rewards but are wired for instant gratification. This isn't a personal failing, it's a feature of our evolutionary design. Our brains are programmed for immediate survival, not for the slow, quiet magic of compounding interest. Understanding this conflict is the first step toward overcoming it and finally building the wealth you deserve. The biggest obstacle standing between you and a seven-figure portfolio isn't equity, a lack of knowledge or opportunity. It's the 100,000-year-old survival hardware between your ears. Your brain is a finely tuned machine, but it was designed for a world of immediate threats, like predators in the tall grass, not for navigating the abstract ups and downs of the stock market. This leads to two critical sabotage mechanisms: present bias and loss aversion. Present bias screams for immediate rewards, making the distant promise of future wealth feel less valuable than a small gain today. Then there's loss aversion. When you see your QQQ investment dip by a mere 5%, your brain doesn't see a temporary market fluctuation. It sees a predator. The alarm bells go off, your palms get sweaty, and every instinct tells you to run, to sell everything and escape the perceived danger. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain's command to run is the very thing that keeps you poor. Wealth isn't built by the swift. It's built by those who have the discipline to sit still. The secret is to outsmart your own instincts. By setting up an automated investment plan, you take your emotional, panic-prone self out of the equation. You let a system do what your survival brain can't. Stay the course, consistently, without fear. Think of building wealth like growing a bamboo tree. For the first 4, even 5 years, you water the ground and nothing happens. There are no visible signs of progress. It feels pointless, boring, and you might even question if anything is growing beneath the surface at all. This is the stage where most people give up. But then, in its 5th year, the bamboo explodes, shooting up an astonishing 90 feet in just 6 weeks. Your investment in QQQ works the exact same way.